What is up, YouTuber fans, streaming fans, cryptocurrency fans? It's your boy BritVR. Welcome to the show. Behind me is my website, BritVR Crypto. There's a lot of free content on there. Check it out at the end of this video. All right, guys. So we're over here looking at the markets. I'm looking at the Poloniex chart. This is Bitcoin weekly chart, and look where we at, guys. We went up here and hit this. Let me move this out the way for you guys. We hit this $14,000, 14,000K, and we had a strong pullback to this resistance. It actually went down and pumped up. This is a pretty strong resistance line, and we're moving up towards it currently. Let's go to the day chart. Now we look like we passed this resistance right here right now, but it can pull back easily. And there's another resistance right over here. The thicker the circles, guys, that means the more resistant the support or resistance line is. So these are okay resistance. You know, we're looking for these thick ones up here, but they can still stop and change the market. Now, if you pull it back a little bit more, we are in a bear market. You can see it's going down. There's a short-term bear market. I believe if we go past this candle, this will turn us back into a bull market. Let's move it to the hourly chart. So as you can see, we went up past this resistance line and we pull back. Just classic trading. That's what it happens. As you look, we went up past the resistance line and went down and retested. That's just classic trading. What we want right now is to pass this small little resistance line right here. As you can see, there's a lot of resistance here from this 1 hour chart, and we might just sit here and trade back and forth. So if you guys want to get into some short-term trading, this looks really good right now. For me, if I'm trading on BitMEX, I'm not a financial advisor, trading derivatives, I'll be all over this right now, trading this back and forth. But what you're looking for to go above this support line and to really break out, it can also pull back into this resistance zone, which I think is more probable than anything. But we can't tell what it's going to do. The candles tell us. So, you know, you may have theories in your head, but it's really what the candles are telling you, and you trade off of that. All right, enough about those candles and that technical analyst. Let's go over here. So I read this like a couple of days ago. No, it might be a day ago. So coders are trying to connect Bitcoin's Lightning node to Ethereum. Let's read a little bit about it here. Blockade Games announced on July 31st that it has successfully bridged two networks by sending a Bitcoin Lightning transactions in such a way that it can cause an Ethereum smart contract to run. This is legendary. This is legendary. So if we can use Bitcoin to make Ethereum transactions, sky's the world's the limit for Bitcoin. We really don't even need to put smart contracts on or more things on top of the blockchain. I'm very happy that they use the Bitcoin Lightning Network because this is what moves Bitcoin really fast back and forth. So let's read this quote they had. We also believe that Bitcoin is the future money, and many of our players will prefer to hold most, if not all, of their funds in Bitcoin. We want to make it possible to serve our biggest supporters and players on the Bitcoin network while utilizing all the infrastructure present on Ethereum and other blockchain networks. So shout out to these guys. Let's check them out real quick, see who they are. So this is the team right here, I guess. You go down, keep on going down, check them out. Let's see what these guys are about. A free to play, easy navigating blockchain experience that allow players to keep their value of their time and money invested. Oh, I guess it's a game where people put the stuff on the blockchain and you keep the items and everything. So let's check out the games real quick. So these are the games. I'm brand new to this, guys. We're watching this live as I'm watching this. I don't want to put in my email. Oh, this is pretty sick. So I guess that's one of the games. Go back to this. Osmo Bear. Like the crap. Okay. And Pineapple Arcade. See right here, guys. So those guys were game developers. check them out when you guys can. Also, hit the like button, hit the subscriber button. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you come over to my website, BritVR Crypto. And all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night. And enjoy the crypto life. Peace.